Well, first of all, a huge thank you to His Excellency the Prime Minister for being so generous with his time and showing us this wonderful project. I've been really impressed by the vision which has been turned into an incredible reality here. We have a top-class resort with fantastic facilities based in this amazing location. The countryside really is amongst the best that I've seen. And actually, with it being so green and some streams and a little bit of cloud cover, I feel quite at home. It's a little bit like being back in some of the best parts of England. So a really fantastic project here that's been delivered. Well, I think it will really help show that Ethiopia can compete with some of the world's top tourist destinations. And I've been really impressed to see the way in which this project is integrated with the local community. So visitors can come here and spend time living with members of the local community. And like some projects, sometimes local communities are displaced. That's absolutely not the case here. It seems to be really working in harmony with the local communities, and I think international tourists will find that very attractive and appealing. I've been really impressed by the design, which seems to be very sympathetic with the natural environment. It blends in really well, and you feel like you're living right in the nature here. You're spending your time in a very calming, peaceful place with the bubbling streams and the natural springs and the mineral water. It really is a very special location. I think the development is very sympathetically done, so I'm very impressed.